At the New York showing of the film Manila's Finest, Filipino actor Piolo Pascual and other voices are calling for change amid ongoing corruption in the Philippines. Don Tagala nag-uulat.
Sa international premiere ng Manila's Finest sa New York Asian Film Festival, may mensaheng gustong ipaabot ang lead actor na si Piolo Pascual.
I saw a lot of parallelism as to what is happening in our country still. If there was corruption back then, now it's more prevalent and you can see it with your own eyes. So I hope this is a reminder for us.
Set in the years leading up to martial law, director Raymond Red's crime thriller explores corruption within the police force against the political climate of Manila in the early 1970s.
Maganda pa rin ang mundo at may gaganda pa.
It's always relevant to be able to go back into history, but beyond that, you have to take a stand. Our problems today is always rooted in the history, and that's what makes this very important, to look back always in the past.
At para sa ilang nanood, the film's depiction of corruption decades ago feels all too familiar today.
It's really relevant. It's something that we should all see and really start to question, ano ba itong nangyayari ngayon sa atin? Bawa yung politically, after watching the film, ayan na naman tayo. Pwede ba? Tama na, let's do something. I mean, hindi, it's not for the good of everyone, itong nangyayari sa atin. Kaya itong mga impeachment na ito, what is the truth? Yun ang tanungin natin. Ano ba talaga nangyayari?
At mula sa isang pelikulang tumatalakay sa corruption of the past, the conversation turned to the Philippines' present-day political battles. Former Senator Antonio Trillanes was also in New York and spoke to BNC about allegations of corruption he has long raised against former President Rodrigo Duterte and his family.
Marami ngayon nakaka-realize na tama pala yung mga paunang mga aligasyon namin. Siyempre nakakagaan ng loob, but the fight is not over. Kaya kailangan eye on the ball pa rin tayo. We keep on pressing until makamit natin yung tagumpay.
Trillanes says the political and legal scrutiny surrounding the Dutertes could help bring to light allegations he says have long been ignored or covered up.
Ang tagumpay na nakikita natin dito is mailabas natin yung katotohanan tungkol sa mga iba't ibang anomalya na ginawa ng mga Duterte. At sa pagkakataong yun, automatic maliliwanagan yung mga kababayan natin.
Para kay Trillanes, mahalaga ang kamulatan ng taong bayan kasabay ng pananagutan kung mapatunayan ang mga alegasyon laban kay Duterte. He says real change will require broader government reforms and he's looking ahead to the 2028 presidential election.
Yung malawakan na reforma, actually, yan mangyayari lang yan kung magkakaroon tayo na presidente na reform-minded din. So we will have a democratic reset, ika nga, sa 2028 na hit the ground running, reformahin natin yung gobyerno para matanggal na yung salot ng korupsyon at pang-aabuso once and for all.
Para sa Agenda North America, Don Tagala, Billionaire News Channel, New York.